Amazon Seller Blueprint 2026. The step-by-step path to $10,000 a month. What if your next income stream didn't require quitting your job, renting a store, or taking massive risks, but instead started with a laptop, a strategy, and a proven system? Imagine waking up to sales notifications, building a brand that reaches millions, and scaling a business that works for you. That's exactly what the Amazon Seller Blueprint 2026 is designed to help you achieve. Learning how to succeed on Amazon isn't about luck, it's about understanding the system, following a proven roadmap, and executing consistently. The blueprint outlined in this guide provides a step-by-step path to building a profitable Amazon business using both Fulfillment by Amazon, FBA, and Fulfillment by Merchant, FBM, while leveraging private label strategies and automation to create long-term passive income. The first step in mastering Amazon selling is understanding how the platform works. Amazon operates as a massive global marketplace with millions of buyers actively searching for products every day. By using FBA, sellers can outsource storage, shipping, and customer service to Amazon, allowing for a more hands-off business model. On the other hand, FBM gives sellers full control over inventory and fulfillment, which can be beneficial for niche or custom products. Both methods have advantages, and learning when to use each is critical for scaling to $10,000 per month. Once you understand the platform, the next step is setting clear financial goals. Success on Amazon starts with defining what you want, whether it's side income or a full-time business. Breaking down the $10,000 per month goal into smaller milestones makes the process manageable and measurable. For example, setting monthly sales targets, product launch timelines, and marketing goals helps create a structured path forward. This goal-oriented mindset is what separates hobby sellers from serious entrepreneurs. Equally important is creating a solid business plan. This includes researching your market, identifying your target audience, and choosing the right products. Tools like Jungle Scout and Helium 10 allow sellers to analyze demand, competition, and profitability before investing in inventory. A strong business plan acts as your roadmap, helping you avoid costly mistakes and stay focused on growth. One of the most critical skills in the Amazon Seller Blueprint is product research. Finding a profitable niche is the foundation of success. This involves analyzing trends, studying customer reviews, and identifying gaps in the market. The goal is to find products with high demand but manageable competition. Combining data-driven research with personal interest can lead to better product choices and stronger long-term performance. After selecting a product, the private label strategy becomes essential. This means creating your own brand instead of reselling generic items. By sourcing products from suppliers and adding your own branding, packaging, and improvements, you create a unique offering that stands out in the marketplace. Building a brand not only increases profit margins but also creates long-term business value and customer loyalty. Next comes listing optimization, which is where many beginners either succeed or fail. A high-converting Amazon listing includes compelling product titles, keyword-rich descriptions, and high-quality images. Keywords play a major role in visibility. By strategically placing them in titles, bullet points, and back-end fields, you increase your chances of ranking higher in search results. This directly leads to more traffic and sales. Marketing and advertising are also key components of reaching $10,000 per month. Amazon PPC, pay-per-click, campaigns allow sellers to promote their products directly to shoppers who are already searching for similar items. By targeting the right keywords, testing ad variations, and analyzing performance metrics like click-through rate and return on ad spend, sellers can scale their visibility and profits efficiently. Another important factor is inventory and fulfillment management. Keeping the right amount of stock ensures you never run out of products while avoiding unnecessary storage fees. Tools and systems can automate inventory tracking, making it easier to scale without constant manual oversight. Efficient fulfillment, whether through FBA or FBM, ensures customer satisfaction and positive reviews, both of which are crucial for long-term success. Ultimately, the Amazon Seller Blueprint is not just about making money, it's about building a scalable, automated business. By combining product research, branding, optimization, and marketing, sellers can create multiple income streams and achieve financial freedom. The process requires consistency, learning, and adaptation, but the rewards can be life-changing. If you're serious about building a profitable Amazon business and want a proven, step-by-step system that takes you from beginner to $10,000 per month seller, don't try to figure it out alone. Right finger, get full access to the Amazon Seller Blueprint 2026 ebook on Etsy today and start building your passive income stream the smart way.